Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Let's talk about angles today. So we'll see what is a right angle, what is a straight angle, and what is a complete angle today. So we know the four directions. Which are the four directions? North, south, east and west. I've marked the four directions here. Imagine a girl is standing at this point. She is facing the north direction. Now, imagine she is taking a right turn. So, she is taking a right turn and now she faces the east direction. So, she was facing the north direction, she made a right turn and now she is facing the east direction. We say she has turned through an angle of 90 degree. So, this angle, this is 90 degree. This is how you represent a 90 degree angle. And right now, we say she has turned through a right angle. Imagine she is taking one more right turn. So, she is turning in the clockwise direction. So, she turns from the east direction to the south direction. Now, she is facing the south direction and she covered another 90 degree. So, right now she made an about turn from the north direction to the south direction. She was facing the north at first, now she is facing the south direction. So, now that she has made an about turn from the north direction to the south direction, she has turned through two 90 degree angles. So, she covered a total of 180 degree angle. So, we call this as a straight angle. So, when she turned through two 90 degree angles, she covered an angle which measures 180 degree in total, which is called a straight angle. Now, what if she continues her turning? So, right now she is facing the west direction. So, she covered another 90 degree. Now, when she makes one more turn to the right, she will come back to her original position. So, by that time, she would cover four 90 degree angles. Now, when she comes back to her original position, she has turned through one complete turn and she has covered an angle equal to 4 into 90 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. So, when she makes one complete turn, it is called one revolution and she covers an angle equal to 360 degree, which is called the complete angle. So, we can say one whole circle represents a total angle of 360 degree, and when she covers one half of it, that is when she turns through 180 degree, we say she has turned through a half turn, and we can say one complete angle is equal to 4 right angles or 4 90 degree angles or 2 straight angles. So, let us see the different types of angles once again. A right angle is when the measurement of the angle is equal to 90 degree. And we can easily identify a right angle by the shape of the letter L. So, when the measurement of an angle is equal to 90 degrees, it is known as a right angle, and a right angle can be easily observed as it forms the shape of the letter L. Now, let us see a straight angle. The angle formed by a straight line is called a straight angle. That is, it is one half of the whole turn of a circle. And the measurement of a straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Now, what about a complete angle? That is, when the measurement of an angle is equal to 360 degree, it's called a complete angle. It is the angle corresponding to one revolution or one complete turn. So, what is one revolution? See, turning 4 right angles in the same direction or turning 2 straight angles in the same direction makes a full turn. So, one complete turn is called one revolution and the angle turned is the complete angle, which is equal to 360 degree. Now, here you can see a few pictures of a clock. Look at the first picture. We can see that the hour hand and the minute hand of the clock are pointing to 12. So for the needles to cover one full turn, they will have to move in the clockwise direction and come back to 12 itself. Imagine it's 3 o'clock now. The hour hand is pointing to 3. See, 3 is 1/4 of 12. So we can say the hour hand has turned a 1/4 turn or a quarter turn. Now, what if it is 6 o'clock now? The hour hand is pointing to 6 now. So, it has covered 1/4 turn when it was at 3. Now, when it came to 6, it covered another 1/4 turn or a quarter turn. So, it is 2/4, which is equal to 1/2, and we say the hour hand has covered a half turn or 1/2 turn. Now, imagine it is 9 o'clock now. The hour hand is pointing to 9. So, how many quarter turns it covered now? So, when it was 3, it was 1/4 turn. When it was at 6, it was 2 quarter turns or 1/2. Now that it is at 9, it covered another quarter turn, which is 3 quarter turns or 3/4. So, now the hour hand turned through a quarter turn. Now, when the needles are back at 12, they have covered one full turn or one revolution. Now, look at another picture of a clock. Here, both the needles, both the hour hand and the minute hand are pointing to 12. So, if the needles are to complete one full turn, they have to go in the clockwise direction and come back to 12 itself. So, you can see a total of 12 divisions marked here. Now, imagine it is 4 o'clock now. So, the hour hand will be pointing to 4. So, 4 is 1/3 of 12. So, when the hour hand is pointing to 4, we can say the needle has covered 1/3 revolution, or it has turned through a 1/3 turn. Now, when it covers another 4 hours, it will be pointing to 8. Now, it has turned through 2 1/3 turns or 2 1/3 revolutions. Now, when it covers another 4 hours, it will go back to the initial position. It will reach back at 12. So, now it has covered 3 1/3 turns or 1 full turn or 1 revolution. So, it has turned through a complete turn. So, I hope this is clear to you children. You may please go through this topic once again. This is given from page number 178 of your textbook. Go through the topic, go through the solved examples as well. There is a try this exercise given in page number 179. Please go through it and you will be ready to do all the questions from exercise 12.2. So, go through the questions and do accordingly. And there is a horse exercise also mentioned in page number 180. Please go through that as well and do accordingly. So, that's all for today children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.